When I recently moved back to my hometown, I thought it was time to bring a little more magic into my home interior. I painted my old IKEA shelf with wood stain in summer, but it was still quite blank. I mean, it was definitely an improvement compared to that fresh out-of-the-box look it had before, but I wondered, what else can I do to make this shelf just a bit more unique? I thought the easiest way to improve the look of the shelf was to attach some wooden trim first. Personally, I love cute wooden details on furniture. I think it makes an item instantly more interesting and also adds more dimension. And honestly, I think our minimalistic IKEA construction here could definitely use some of that. I started by painting all of the wooden pieces with the same wood stain I used on my shelf, so when I would attach them later, everything would blend together nicely, as if the trim was already part of the shelf to begin with. I was especially excited for this kind of trim here. When I saw it, I immediately thought, oh, I really want to paint some moons and stars into those tiny arches to make it look like windows on a medieval wizard's tower or something. I will link all of the wooden pieces I used in the description, so if you feel like it, you can get some for your own projects. I still had some leftover paint samples from when I tried out different wall colors, and yeah, I decided to use a nice blue on my project. For a pleasant twinkle, depending on how the light hits, I painted my celestial accents and the frames of the arches with gold paint. To make the shelf more antique looking, I got this vintage style handle and attached it to the sliding door. The good thing about the plain IKEA shelf is that it's so easily customizable. The wood is quite soft, so attaching stuff by drilling or hammering is no problem at all. And I don't know, but do you know that feeling when you remember you have free creative will and can customize literally anything any way you want? And suddenly you just naturally enter this beautiful workflow while simultaneously feeling kind of silly for not realizing this earlier, or yeah, just more often, I guess. Anyways, working on this project had something very relaxing, and I really enjoyed just putting everything together step by step, and yeah, just letting me express my creative ideas freely. I'm so in love with these pretty corner pieces. I mean, just adding them to the shelf already made such a big difference, and the whole thing just immediately looked more vintage, more antique. And yeah, I don't know, sometimes it's just small things like this, before I started this project, I didn't even knew wooden decorative pieces like this existed and you could just put them everywhere, and I want to put them everywhere now because just look at it. It's so cute. Now, when it comes to this wooden trim right here, this is where a bit of a struggle started, because as you might have seen in the thumbnail already, I will later paint the whole shelf, and yeah, I just could not for the life of me, I don't know why, choose between whether I should paint it blue or in this brown color. And yeah, I definitely did not repaint the whole shelf like 3 times because I couldn't choose. Yeah, that definitely did not happen. Yeah, I don't know what was going on. I must have been possessed by the fairy godmothers from Sleeping Beauty or something. But yeah, I'm explaining this because you see me glue on the brown wooden trim right here, but yeah, I ended up choosing the blue color in the end. But yeah, I still kind of wanted to show it to you because I think both colors just look really, really nice, and I also wanted to include this because yeah, I just wanted to say that it's absolutely fine to take detours in your project, and that perfectionism is a curse and it will only hold you back if you think too much about certain details. And yeah, just choosing something is always better than wasting time on going back and forth in your head about which would be the most perfect, most suitable choice. And yeah, just enjoy the crafting. Hi, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this magical shelf makeover. I mean, I'm super happy with the result. It was so much fun working on this, and I don't know, just now looking at this every day, the way the light hits the gold accents and everything, it just it just makes me feel like I'm a magical wizard's apprentice in a medieval tower or something, you know. It's just I'm so happy. Yeah, and I mean, I'm still kinda second guessing my color choice, as I told you before, but I mean, whatever, because perfectionism is a curse and you just gotta choose something at some point. And also, I mean, it would take some effort, but I could always repaint it if I feel like it. And yeah, for now, I think the blue is fine. It looks super nice. And yeah, I'm actually quite surprised myself, like how much more whimsical, how much whimsiness you can create out of a plain IKEA shelf is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Because yeah, I think you can't really tell, like, I mean, yes, you can definitely still tell that it's just an IKEA shelf, but not on the first glance, I think. And yeah, so it definitely looks way much more, yeah, pretty magical and antique a little bit. And yeah, I'm super happy that I made that happen. And oh, and yeah, another thing I wanted to tell you is that I recently opened a coffee account. Yeah, because yeah, basically every project I'm doing is a passion project, and yeah, I just enjoy it so much, creating magical things like this and then sharing them with you guys. And yeah, it has become such a big and important part in my life that I don't want to miss out on it anymore. This is what I want to do, and yeah, it brings me so much joy. So yeah, if you enjoy what I do and you want to support me with these projects so I can maybe buy supplies, fabrics, colors, these wooden pieces, because every project needs supplies, right? Then yeah, you can feel free to buy me a coffee or buy me a potion on coffee, and yeah, so I can keep doing this and share it with you. This would mean so much to me, but yeah, it's of course absolutely optional. So yeah, if you have the means and you want to do this, then yeah, feel free to do this, but yeah, you get the point. Yeah. Okay, that's it for now, I guess. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and oh, and I actually already have some other projects in preparation that I will start working on once I finished editing this video. And yeah, if you want to keep up with me in the meantime, I am most active on Instagram, where I also post all of my photo shootings and other stuff that I usually don't post on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, then yeah, I hope I will see you there, and I also hope that I will see you in my next video. So yeah, until next time. Bye bye.